Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and discuss all things tech-related. Today, we've got something essential for all you Lenovo laptop users out there, the IdeaPad charger. But before we delve into the details, make sure you're subscribed and have hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our tech reviews. If you're a Lenovo laptop owner, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable charger by your side. The IdeaPad charger we're talking about today is a versatile power supply that can handle a variety of Lenovo laptops. Let's dive into the specs and features that make it a must-have accessory. Let's talk numbers. The IdeaPad charger offers a maximum output of 20 volts and comes in two power variants, 65W and 45W. This means you have options, whether you need speedy charging or just a standard power supply. The input voltage range spans from 110 volts to 240 volts, making it suitable for worldwide use. What laptops can you use this charger with? Well, the compatibility list is pretty extensive. It covers a wide range of Lenovo models, including the IdeaPad series, Yoga series, and more. If you own a Lenovo laptop, there's a good chance this charger will work for you. For a detailed list, check out the product description below. Safety first. The IdeaPad charger is put through rigorous testing to ensure it meets top industry standards for electrical safety and design. It's listed by a leading American consumer product testing laboratory as a safe and reliable choice. So, no need to worry about potential harm to your laptop. As professionals in the notebook power supply industry, the makers of this charger take quality seriously. They've included safety mechanisms to protect against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. Plus, they back it up with an industry-leading return and exchange policy. You get a 30-day return window and a lifetime guarantee from the date of purchase. That's impressive. Now, let's highlight some key features of this high-quality charger. It comes with an extra long power cord, giving you more flexibility when plugging in. It's optimized for energy efficiency, so you're not wasting power. Plus, it meets DOE Level 6 energy efficiency standards, which is fantastic for the eco-conscious. When you're using this charger, you can easily keep an eye on its work status. It's designed with user convenience in mind. The charger's interface is made of copper-plated nickel for durability, wear resistance, and anti-aging performance. You can expect this charger to last. Last but not least, the charger boasts a high-quality cable with an oxygen-free pure copper wire core for stable current flow. To wrap things up, if you're in need of a reliable and compatible charger for your Lenovo laptop, the IdeaPad Charger 65W, 45W is an excellent choice. It's safe, energy efficient, and backed by a lifetime guarantee. What more could you ask for? That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful and informative, please show your support by smashing that like button and sharing it with fellow Lenovo laptop users. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more insightful tech reviews, and until next time, keep your gadgets charged and your tech game strong.